Alright, this is the Chroma SDK. It's the native version, and I'll start with the tall layout. Okay, and here we've got the Chroma SDK emulator, and I'll use the Chroma plugin to author some effects. Alright, so first thing, under Window, Chroma SDK, I've added a Capture Chroma window, and we can use the camera to capture chroma effects. All you need is a new scene, and I'll throw in a game object camera, and in the examples I've got a particle system. Okay, so for the camera, we don't need the audio listener. Alright, anything we aim the camera at, we can capture to a chroma animation, like to display on this keyboard. So just aim your camera where you want to see the effect. Here's this particle system, and then you can drag the camera over to the render camera slot. There we go. And then you can click Align with View, and it will line up the view. And then you just have to enter this animation name. So to create a chroma animation, you can use Assets, Chroma SDK, and create a chroma animation. So you'll type in a name. This will be the demo animation, and it has the chroma extension. When you save that, it'll create a chroma file and automatically pop up this editor window. We switch to 2D, set that. We can have the keyboard layout, and then this is the same general chroma editor as the other windows where you can click and paint your own animations and set keyframes. Or if we close that, we can do it from this capture window. So here in the animation name, we can just call it the demo animation. It recognizes that it's the keyboard device type. And now we can capture. So here you can reset the frames, so there's only one frame in this animation. If you select your particle system, it'll automatically play. You can position the scene view, and when you get it lined up where you want it, you can say Align with View, and that will cause it to set the camera in the position. It's the same thing as using Game Object to align with view. And you can also use the controls here if you wanted to rotate maybe. Okay, and then you've got the easy selection to show the particle system. So if you want it going sideways like that. And over here, the main thing is capture. So we can capture this camera and display it on the keyboard. So if you can capture a single frame, and it will display the preview right when you click on it. There's this capture interval. So that's how often it will capture when you start capturing. It's defaulted to 100 milliseconds. So if I say start, it'll start to capture what's playing in the camera. And you can have your camera pointed at anything in the scene. You can point it at a particle system, or a movie, or another texture, or your game, or some cool laser effect, or gunfire, that kind of thing. And you'll be able to capture it. And you can capture to all the different animation types. All right, once you're done, just stop, and then you can play back the animation. So if I hit play, there's the captured animation. So this is capturing to a chroma animation file. So here's should be a demo animation. So here we just captured this demo animation file, and it's a binary file. And the same animation is compatible with all the other engines. So you can use this animation in GameMaker, Unreal, or even the REST version of the Chroma SDK. And use your assets. You can use Chroma SDK and edit, and it will open that animation in the editor. And then you can go through and manually edit the overall timings for each frame. You can hand paint on the thing, or do some of the other random type things to the animation. And if I play that back, so playback can be played or stopped. Okay, so that's the new Chroma Capture window, which you can open under Window, Chroma SDK, open the Capture Chroma window. All right, thanks for watching.